How to change language on Audacity. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can change language on Audacity. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Audacity in your device. Once you're on this page, navigate to this toolbar at the top. Now, head towards the edit button or edit tool right here and click on it. From this menu box, click on Preferences. Once you see this Preferences menu box, again change this audio settings to your interface. So click on Interface option right here. After that, you will have this language option. Click on this drop down. Now you can select the language according to your preferences. Select your language and once you are done, click on OK button. And with that, your language will be changed on Audacity. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.